Hey, let me ask you something honestly. If crypto makes so many people rich, why do most people lose money? Seriously, every bull run, you see screenshots, profits, Lambos, life changed. But quietly, millions of people are losing money, and nobody talks about them. Today, let's talk about the truth, not the hype, not the promises, not the next 100x coin. The real reason most people fail in crypto. First mistake, they enter crypto emotionally. People don't buy crypto when it's boring. They buy when it's exciting, when prices are going up, when everyone is talking about it, when social media is screaming, "Last chance!" That's not investing, that's panic buying. Smart money enters quietly, dumb money enters loudly, and guess who pays the price? Second mistake, no plan. Most people don't have a strategy. Bro, this coin will go up? Trust me? I saw a video. Hope is not a strategy. In crypto, hope is expensive. If you don't know, or why you're buying, or when you'll sell, or how much you can lose, then you're not an investor, you're a gambler. Third mistake, they listen to influencers. Let me be very clear here. Most crypto influencers already bought before you. They don't make money from crypto. They make money from views. When they say, buy, they're not buying, they're selling attention. And guess who becomes exit liquidity? Yeah, the audience. Fourth mistake, no risk management. People put money in crypto that they can't afford to lose. Rent money, emergency money, loan money. That's dangerous, very dangerous, because crypto is volatile, prices move fast. And when your money drops 30%, your brain panics. Hands shake, heart races, you sell at the worst time. Crypto didn't beat you. Your emotions did. Fifth mistake, panic selling. This one hurts. People buy high, then sell low. Classic. They say, I'll hold long term until price drops. Then suddenly, I'll just sell and buy later. But later never comes. They sell in fear and buy again in greed. That's how money transfers from impatient people to patient people. Sixth mistake, no understanding of cycles. Crypto moves in cycles, up, down, boring, then explosive again. But most people expect straight lines. When market is boring, they quit. When market is exciting, they chase. Wrong timing, every time. Seventh mistake, overtrading. People think trading more means earning more. No, it usually means losing more. Fees, bad decisions, emotional trades. Crypto doesn't reward activity. It rewards patience. Here's a funny truth. Most people don't lose money because crypto is bad. They lose money because they don't understand themselves. Crypto exposes behavior, greed, fear, impatience, ego. If you can't control emotions, crypto will teach you. Expensively. Now let's talk about expectations. Most people enter crypto to get rich fast. That mindset alone destroys them. Because when fast profits don't come, they do stupid things, chase pumps, switch coins, ignore risk. Smart people enter crypto to learn first, to survive first. Profit comes later. Here's something nobody tells you. Most money in crypto is made by doing nothing, buying good assets, holding patiently, ignoring noise. But doing nothing is boring. So people do everything except the right thing. Now let me be very clear. Crypto is not evil. Crypto is powerful, but it's not forgiving. If you're careless, it punishes you fast. So how do smart people avoid losing money? Simple rules. Rule 1, never invest money you need soon. Rule 2, have a plan before buying. Rule 3, stop listening to hype. Rule 4, think long term, not overnight. Rule 5, protect capital first, profit second. Crypto rewards patience. Crypto rewards discipline. Crypto rewards humility. It destroys greed. Let me summarize this. Most people lose money in crypto because they buy emotionally, follow influencers, ignore risk, panic sell, expect fast riches, fix these, and suddenly, crypto feels different, calmer, smarter, controlled. Remember this? Crypto doesn't care about your feelings. But if you respect the rules, it can reward you. I'll see you in the next video.